That was good.
Wait, Brooke.
Go with him. Go right behind him.
Do I have to do a front flip? Do I have to do a
Kick, kick,
front
kick.
flip?
Paddle, paddle, paddle. Go, Brady, go. Go, Brady, go. Swim, Brady.
Go.
Brady, you only go in the deep end when you have swimmies on. Go ahead.
Sophia,
That
can I
hurt.
use these?
Go ahead, Aiden.
I'm going to try again.
Do a flip. Try to go high.
Oh!
Oh. Huh.
Come do it a time. You got to tuck your knees. Okay. Good. Do like one of your really high ones. Okay. I'll try.
Go, go, go.